Okay, this is French from the Rextron International Incorporation, and I am now at the ISE Barcelona, and we are going to debut the latest new product about the KVM extender. This is our new dual head KVM extender, and it can transmit dual video over the single K5 or K6, and this is maximum resolution is up to the 4K 30 Hertz, and we are using the HDBaseT 3.0 is the latest new technology from the chipset vendor Balance, and it's not quite easily to find such product in the market. Normally, if you find a dual head the cable extender, you will need two cables to do the job, but I'll only need one single cable can achieve it. So if you want to know more information about our product, please visit our website www.rextron.com.